Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Podbean account to start podcasting and distribute your audio content, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Podbean website and click on Sign Up to create a new account, or log in if you already have credentials. Step 2. During the registration process, enter your email address, create a password, and provide basic information for your podcast. Step 3. After completing the sign-up form, Podbean will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Podbean. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Podbean account or confirm your email address." Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Podbean website and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. Log into your Podbean account with your verified credentials. You now have access to the podcast creation and hosting tools. Step 7. Complete your podcast profile by adding a podcast title, description, cover art, and category information. Step 8. To monetize your podcast or access premium features, you may need to complete additional verification steps such as connecting a payment method or providing tax information. Step 9. Upload your first podcast episode to start building your audience. Podbean will automatically distribute your podcast to major platforms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.